Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez, and I will be talking about stone and masonry construction. In terms of aesthetics and appeal, it is widely used to construct small and large structures because of its attractive appearance, minimum maintenance, safety, and economy. It is available in many sizes, shapes, colors, and textures, and the materials commonly used are either brick, stone, marble, granite, concrete block, glass block, etc. In terms of functionality, it is a great natural insulator for sound and heat. It reduces transmission of unwanted noise, and when it comes to brick, it is slow to absorb or lose heat. You'll be warm in the winter and cool in the summer, all while saving money. It also has a high compressive strength under vertical loads. When it comes to structural integrity and durability, it has an excellent load-bearing capacity for supporting roofs and additional floors because of its high compressive strength. It can also last well over 100 years if constructed properly. It can be reused when carefully dismantled, and because of its reliability and performance proven, it's been used for centuries in government, institutional, industrial, and commercial buildings. When it comes to reactions, it can withstand high winds and hurricanes. However, walls may collapse during an earthquake as they have low tensile strength. And one thing that can remedy this is to join walls together, which will ensure seismic performance. It's also fire resistant, so it cannot be damaged, nor can it release toxic fumes, as it does not contain any toxic properties within the material. And when it comes to ferrous metals, I chose stainless steel. I'll be talking about stainless steel anchors in particular. These anchors are used to connect masonry to a backing wall or frame and can provide connections which can resist compressive, tensile, and shear stresses. And in stone masonry, since many metals can cause staining, austenitic chromium nickel stainless steel is most commonly used for this. And these are my sources. Thank you very much.